Guys, here's some last minute Christmas gifts that I just made. Literally Christmas day, and it is 2:30 p.m. So we're about to have our family come over, and I needed some gifts for our family. So I made these really fast on my heat press, and it was, it was a lot of fun because I tried to make shirts with the sayings based on their personalities. And thank you, Cairo. My son is helping me. And also, along with their shirts, I made these cute little makeup bags, and I put their name on them with vinyl. This was my first time doing it, and actually, it was so easy to do. So I'm going to be using vinyl a lot more often. So I'll just go really quick. It says, for the t-shirts, please don't make me do stuff I don't like. I like staying home. I saw, left early. Keep the faith and stay strong. Too blessed to be stressed. Thou shalt not test me, mood 24/7. Living my blessed life. And I need your listing, so am I. Obviously, this is for a family member that's a realtor. And then I just made these cute little tags I'm going to just put on top of the gifts. And it says, especially handmade with love for you. And this one, I'm missing the bag. I don't know where it is, but I'm going to remake another one. Like, again, it was really fast, easy to do, but this is just an idea of, thank you, Cairo. He's putting all my tags on the shirts. But this was really easy to do. And again, this is so last minute, and I think that everyone's going to love it because it is handmade, but it looks really professional. So I'll keep you guys posted on how I make these, and you can do these with an actual hand iron. You don't actually need a heat press to do. In the bags, again, you just need to a cutting machine and some vinyl. But all right, guys, I hope this gives you some ideas of some quick last minute gifts for people. Like I said again, these are my Christmas gifts, but you can use these for anything. All right, I'll talk to you later, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for more videos like this. I'll talk to you in the next one. Take care.